Participation in the health sector from May the 7th, 2001, shortly after the enterprise law called Đức Minh Pharmaceutical JSC, Olmedic JSC, founder of pharmacist Nguyễn Bình Minh. Initially, the company had only 8 employees with legal capital of $1 billion. The company operated under the model of multidisciplinary, multi-professional development through the parent and subsidiary companies, also contribute capital to establish joint stock companies in Northwestern, Central and South. With orientation to become a top of medical group in Vietnam, on the 21st of July 2007 in Hue City, AMV Medical Group was officially established with 7 affiliates working on 5 product channels: AMV Vaccine, AMV Diagnostic, AMV Pharma, AMV Minglong, AMV Holimco. At the same time, established 2 new channels: AMV Food Supplement, AMV Medical Service, including strategic link to establish 49 immunization rooms named SAFO and 17 labs named Fastex. The main businesses of AMV Group are import and export, marketing and distribution product in the healthcare sector, scientific and technical services, consultants on using medical products, franchise, purchase and consulting on transfer of technology in the healthcare sector, business development, investment. After 10 years of construction and growth, Group Health AMV has built a professional distribution system with a staff of 63 present in all 63 provinces in the country and several provinces of Laos, Cambodia and Korea. In particular, Medical Group AMV has created trust with customers in providing products and services, and we also help bring the community the best products and perfect service. AMV Group has united community, including management and staff member, with IT organizations which centralizes on human factor. Every AMV member wishes to build AMV Group into a strong corporate philosophy, cooperation for mutual development. AMV Vaccine is the earliest business partner in AMV Group, and this part contributed to the highest proportion of sales in the entire group. AMV Vaccine are currently marketed vaccines and products from well-known manufacturers which are located in Europe, America and Asia. All the vaccines are produced at the factory according to the good manufacturing practice, GMP and CGMP standards of the World Health Organization. The vaccines are stored and transported in cold chain standards and provide good storage practice, GSP and GDP. Vaccines provided by AMV Group are effective and safe and made from the newest technologies such as Generation 4, Virosum. AMV Diagnostic provide medical product equipment and biological diagnostic medical devices and equipment for individual use at home. Standard Diagnostics Korea Quick Test, Fuji Rebio Japan, biological diagnostic method called latex sedimentation, Diosorin Italy, biological diagnostic method and devices for ELISA test, immunochemical luminescence. AMV Pharmaceutical. This is a business on pharmaceutical products. The well-known products like Herbamin and unit wound healing and avoid scar formation. The objectives of AMV Pharmaceutical is to exploit, develop and distribute medicine to healthcare system across the country. AMV Food Supplement. This is a business on supplementary product on food supplements. These products help patients with diabetes, prostate, fibroids, and women in menopause to release the symptom and vitamin and mineral product for children. These products are brought into Vietnam by AMV and Walmart, which change people's perception on food supplement as well as changes the disease prevention and treatment in Vietnam. AMV Medical Service. Along with the slogan, safety for your life, and ensure that the criteria health is goal of the people, AMV focused on prevention for people inspired by the Blue Ocean strategy in the group's overall strategy, model the first standard immunization room in Vietnam. SAPO was started by AMV Group. SAPO meet the standard of the Ministry of Health International and the World Health Organizations in Vietnam. The objective of AMV Medical Service is safety, quality, top service, full consultation in the field of prevention. SAPO is registered for intellectual rights and laws adopted by the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. Everyone who comes to SAPO will have full consultation on vaccine before injection. According to the policy of socializations of the government health sector, Project Fast Take of AVM has been implemented in some large hospitals in the country. With a transition into holding company, the brand development all the way along with professional implementation has contributed to confirm AMV Medical Group is a business unit dynamic identity. With a staff of nearly 400 employees at offices and branches present in 63 cities and provinces throughout the country and 3 international markets as Laos, Cambodia and Korea, export value of the product in 2 years to Laos, Cambodia and Thailand reached more than $2 million. AMV Medical Group is proud to be one of the most professional groups and has extensive coverage of its products, especially in the remote area with a stable price in the long term. The products were available at the dealer distributors, health centers and hospitals. AMV Group has invested heavily in the capital market to provide hundreds of products authorized and licensed to circulate from the world's leading producers of 3 continents, such as herbal biotech SA Cuba, Diasorin Italy, Seva Pharma Europe, Cruz-Alberna Biotech of Switzerland, SE South Korea, and many other reputable products in the world. Also, some vendors believe the technology transfer for AMV Group to domestic production and export to other countries in Southeast Asia. Tens of products aim at lowering costs and increasing security coverage. This job has been confirmed partly Sustainable Development and Corporate Track AMV. With a philosophy of health, AMV Group, Cooperation for Mutual Development, Direction Executive Management Group are completion of the common purposes. Vision is a leading group in healthcare. AMV's message is safety for your life. AMV has granted the General Department of Taxation and the Central Red Cross Certificate of Merit. The specific work has been reviewed by the economic value of assets totaling more than 100 billion brand value and brand power of 50 billion, and revenue in 2010 reached 400 billion. More than 400 members of the group are unanimously determined to turn AMV Medical Group into the leading healthcare group in Vietnam. In the future, we continue to expect to get the direction of the State Management Agency and support your customers. AMV Medical Group is committed to continue investment in the health sector and human resource training to meet the increasing requirement of your customers. And on this occasion, on behalf of Medical Group AMV, on behalf of shareholders, investors, and board of directors, would like to thank you sincerely to all participants and your guests who have attended the conference, especially the customers you have supported us in the journey of 10 years.